Hi guys, on YouTube. Today I'll be talking about the washing machine drama antics Rosewine's had throughout the years. First of all, in the house that she's living in now, the one that gave me telephone, she's got here the 9515. But then she had a service easy wash 800 M308. She still fell off and long before the bearings went, and that thing, the beaker worked up in 5100. The machine was leaking, making terrible noise due to a door seal problem and the drawer and the bearing problem, which you can't replace the bearings on these machines, which is absolutely dreadful. She had a knife 315 before the knife TL51. It was brown and white. In the day it was alright, but for the kitchens that they mashed the kitchens, then she's had a TL51 in pearl white. Then I have that now. It's given to me. I was on YouTube. I've filmed it. I've basically trying to make videos of. On the auntie, they had the boss that like YouTube 44, 60. She's had a 915A. This time it's brown and almond, not brown and white. So two of them had. Now 515 brown almond, now 515A, then she's watched the huge 4460 TB. Then she has a big new washing now. She has a new washing now. Then all the aunties had appendix auto the lux. 7147A, then she had the 7 speaker W5100, which I don't remember what went wrong with it. And then I decided to use after 1295W, she had a washing machine, quick bearings went, and he was noisy on the spinners in the behind, and there was dreadful, and the combination 8493 was now in that spot. Now she bent his washing machine many years ago, in the 70s, which I would have loved, and that wasn't, wasn't more at the time, but I think he got hers in 2000 something, 2004 I think. I'm saying about right, because the filter was wasn't at the time, so thanks for watching, seeing a bit.